In this video, I will show you people two serious airdrops, and trust me, you can earn up to $300 with these two airdrops. So all I have to do is to watch this video till the very end and do not skip any part. Hello guys, welcome back. So to start with the first one, all I have to do is to go to the video description and click on the first link there. So once you click on the first link there, you'll be taken to Telegram as usual. So you have to start the bot. So just click on the button start over here. So once you click on the button start over there, now click on the button start earning bold. So just click on this icon to continue. First of all, let me remind you that if you want to earn this token, you have to make sure that you are holding some of those cryptocurrencies such as Notecoin, Toncoin, Docs before you can be earning this free token over here. So once you be here, all I have to do is to click on the button join the pool. To make sure you have the cryptocurrency before you click on join the pool over here. So after that, they'll ask you to connect your wallet. As you can see, I already connected my wallet over here. I'm holding Toncoins. I just did it right now. That's why my reward is 0 over here. They said you come after 1 hour. So after 1 hour, they'll update my earnings over here. And the second crypto that I'm holding over here is the Docs. I have about 3,000 Docs in my wallet. I want to do the same thing. My reward is 0, but they'll update it after some time. Remember that this airdrop will be ended in 6 days time, so you have to make sure you rush and start it right now if you want to earn the free token. You can see all the reward that you are going to share over here. They have 1 million tokens that they are going to share to all the users, and down here they have 500,000 bull that they are going to share to Docs holders. Down here too, you have 2 million token that they are going to share to Notecoin holders. So that's how this particular airdrop works. Basically, you don't have many things to do. Just connect your wallet and stay updated. So now let's jump into the second airdrop. As you can see over here, I'm on the official Telegram page of the owner of Major Rocksman, and you can see that he made a post on this particular airdrop, which is Tiniverse. That was on 18th November, just to show you people that this particular airdrop is launched by the owner of Major. You can see the post that he made on that particular airdrop, Tiniverse. And he's not the only one. I'm on the official page of the CEO of Telegram, which is Pavel Durov, and you can see that the same date he also made a post on Tiniverse. He even made a video on the airdrop. You can see it over here. So let me click on it. So you can see the short video that he made on this particular airdrop, which is Tiniverse, just to show people that this airdrop is serious. So all I have to do is to follow all the steps that I'm going to show you in this video so that you can earn a lot. So to start with that particular airdrop, do the same thing. Go to the video description, the second link under the video description, click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to Telegram. So once you get to Telegram, just start the bot. So once you start the bot, you'll be taken to this place. So once you get to this place, you can see this particular airdrop is about forming your own galaxy. You have to form your own galaxy with the stars. This is someone galaxy. You can see the stars, so you can zoom to see how it looks like. So if you want to see your own galaxy, all I have to do once you are here is to click on this particular icon over here at the upper right side. So just click on that icon over there. I just started the airdrop, so you can see that my galaxy is small. You cannot even see the stars because it is very small. So once you are here, all I have to do to start forming your galaxy, let's say to start earning the cryptos, because you earn the cryptos according to the number of stars that you own. If the number of stars are many, that means your galaxy will be big, and if your galaxy is big, you are going to earn a lot of cryptos, a lot of tokens with the airdrop. So once you are here, all I have to do to start earning the stars, to start forming your galaxy, is to click on the button collect Stardust over here. So once you click on the button collect Stardust, that's not all. You have to come and click on the button add stars over here. Once you click on the button add stars over there, you can see that they said create 100 stars. So you can start your galaxy with 100 stars. Once you are here, all I have to do is to click on the button create 100 stars. But remind you, it is not free. You have to spend the Telegram stars. You can see it over here. They said for the 100 Tiniverse stars, you have to spend 31 Telegram stars. So make sure you have the Telegram stars before you can perform this particular task. If you have the Telegram stars, just click on it, connect your wallet, and buy the stars. After you're done buying the stars, automatically it will take you back to your galaxy, and you will see over here that your galaxy will start forming with the stars. So later you can come back and check over here and see if you can claim free Stardust. The Stardust will help you to get more stars. So if you have Stardust over here, you can add free stars. So as you can see, mine over here, I'm already on 80%. So in few time I'll come back and claim my free stardust. So this free stardust will help me to earn more stars, and those stars over there will help me to form my own galaxy over here. So if you have a big galaxy, you are going to earn a big reward. So this is the first thing that you can do to be earning the free stars. Now the second thing to do to be earning the free stars is to click on this icon over here. So once you click on that icon over there, just click on the button boost over here. You have two types of boost over here, so you can just click on the button top up over here to boost your earnings. But before you can perform this task too, you have to spend the Telegram stars. So if you don't have the Telegram stars, you cannot perform this task. As you can see over here, they said I should pay 2,000 Telegram stars before I can perform this task. So if you don't have the Telegram stars, you cannot perform this task. You just have to go back. If you don't have the Telegram task and you want to get the boost, all I have to do is to refer people. So just click on the button refer friends over here, copy your link and start sharing it with people. So if you refer many people, you can come and claim your free boost over here. So basically that's how this second airdrop works. To be frank, if you want to earn with this second airdrop, you need to invest a little bit. If not, you're not going to get anything. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel too, because that's where I'll be sending the updates. So make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel. So guys, that's it for this video, and if you are not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video guys, and see you in my next video.